Maker, Mel here. Today I'm going to teach you about the coolest laundry detergent that's all natural that you've probably never heard of. Not only is this detergent unique in that it's all natural and eco-friendly, but it's actually created by nature, on a tree. Can I get a drum roll, please? Because the best laundry detergent award goes to soap nuts. Yes, you heard me correctly. Soap nuts are actual nuts from the Sapindus macarosi, or soapberry tree, found in the Himalayas. It cleans and softens clothes at the same time. How cool is that? Soap nuts are gentle on both clothing and skin, making them ideal for babies' clothes, bedding, and those with sensitive skin. Wow, nature is awesome. Available at Makesy.com, to swap your current detergent for soap nuts, all you need to do is throw 4 to 5 berries in a cotton drawstring bag and pull it shut. Put the bag directly in your laundry and let the berries do the rest. 1 bag of berries can be used up to 10 times. And to maximize your laundry experience, after you're done with your laundry, go ahead and throw it in the dryer with one of our Eco Wool balls. You can add a few drops of some essential oils or natural fragrance to the ball to infuse your favorite scents into your clean laundry and reduce drying time and static cling without toxic dryer sheets. And if you're looking to sell this amazing all-natural product duo, you can pre-measure 4 to 5 berries into our cotton drawstring bags and sell them as sets or laundry kits for your home cleaning line. Are you as excited about soap nuts as we are? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now, go make it happen. Can you believe that you can actually wash your laundry with these? I mean, it's actually a nut. I mean, they're so tiny and nut-like. Maracas. We'll like dance around every time we do the laundry now. Dice? Anyone? Feeling lucky. And they're completely scent-free, which is pretty incredible because I don't know many nuts that smell like this. Woo! All right.